Welcome to Tallemenco's Pumping System Masterclass Workshop Overview. This course is suited for designers, managers, and pump sales engineers in the irrigation industry. Pumping System Masterclass is Tallemenco's flagship course, providing expert training incorporating best practice, fit for purpose, energy efficiency, and life cycle costing across all aspects of pumping system design. Pumping System Masterclass is a 2-day workshop endorsed by Irrigation Australia for professional development. The course covers the following: pipeline selection for that critical balance between capital cost, friction loss, and energy cost. NPSH, which includes case studies to help students relate to their own site situations. Limits of operation of pumps, valves, filters, flow meters, and fittings. Also, special emphasis is made on pump materials, corrosion, pump types, pump guarantee limits, and VFDs. Multiple set point operation, demonstrating energy savings in irrigation of varying topography. Pump duty selection, using Tallemenco's flagship Pump Duty Selection app to find the correct pump and calculate annual and life cycle energy costs. Pump system design, evaluating electric, diesel, and solar-powered pumping systems. WH&S, especially ladders, workspace, first aid, ventilation, and buoyancy of dry well stations. Applications for pipework, including flexible pipe joiners, fasteners, and flange standards. Pump and tank controls, including pump system alarms and IP rating. System commissioning, not only for pumps, but filters, valves, pump alarms, tank level control, and on-site training. And pump testing, using Tallemenco's pump testing app to site test the selected pump. The course also includes practical resources, including a suite of fit-for-purpose apps, as well as a collection of comprehensive digital data sheets. The Pumping System Masterclass is presented by Rob Welke and grew out of his 50 years experience in water and irrigation. As an independent consultant, Rob is passionate about the integrity of his work and passing on his valuable experience to others. Described by one participant as a training course without equal, Pumping System Masterclass is the benchmark in pumping training courses for irrigation designers and pump engineers. Accelerate your career in the irrigation industry and book your course today.